This video presentation is Smart Metric Inc. This is an OTCQB tier company, trading our ticker SMME. This popped up this morning in a scan because of this big spike in volume on Tuesday, and with that, stock pushed through a resistance point right around 34 cents. And with that, shoved back above the 50-day moving average and put a little bit of distance between the price per share and the 200-day moving average, which is a bullish sign. So I want to take a quick run through the indicators, look for strength and trend and strength and momentum, see if this is going to come up and challenge some more resistance up in the area of 47 cents. I see the MACD is trending back towards zero. That's a positive sign. Ultimately, though, I do want to see it break through zero. It's often referred to as breaking the money line because it indicates a bullish shift in trend. But it's approaching that area, and that'll be a key spot. See if it's going to make that break. PPO in a similar position. ADX moving upward from low levels. Down around 10, now up to 20. Positive DI moving upward, indicating the upward direction is gaining some strength. Sharp move in the MFI, back above that benchmark point of 50. That's what I always want to see. It shows people are paying higher prices for the stock over average periods. Not getting a great deal from accumulation distribution. Basically flatline now for a couple months. It's a nice move leading into it, a lot of buying pressure, but now just trending sideways. Getting a little bit of a different look than shaken money flow, which is based upon the accumulation distribution. Down in the red indicates that selling pressure is outweighing buying pressure over 20 period increments. But as it was making higher lows, that tells me that the selling pressure was subsiding. You can see right now just starting to break above zero, indicating that buying pressure is outweighing selling pressure. Per the definition of the CCI, the buy signal comes on the break of 100. It's a hold until it breaks back down through 100. Full stow, it's a gauge of momentum. Nice little upward channel it was making. Now even on any pullbacks, I want to see it hold over top of 50. To signal that bullish momentum is being sustained in the play. And the tricks, it's a gauge of trend, similar to the MACD. Read it as an uptrend showing some bullishness coming into the play, and a break of zero indicates a bullish trend. RSIs, you see right through here having a difficult time moving through that 50 mark, representing the bearish momentum that was in the play. The move on Tuesday pushed all three components back above 50, and similar to my comments about the full stow, I want to see it hold the upper half of that indicator to show that the bulls are in control of momentum in the chart. Now I put a bottom support down here around the 200-day moving average, but with that move, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking more for a support level if there's any pullback to hold right there around 34 cents. To me, it's important that that price per share holds over top of the 50-day moving average because as things play out a little bit, I want to see that 50-day curl start to move upward and allow this 200-day to continue on its upward path as well, because the most bullish of charts are trending over top of the 50 and 200-day with both those moving averages on an upward path. So that's why that move yesterday is relatively important. It's the first sign of a kick towards bullishness. I want to pay attention today to see if it's going to continue to move forward or if it's going to give it right back and fall back below that support level, which of course will turn back into resistance. Now going forward, I do suspect there's going to be some more resistance right around 40 cents, but I don't see it really getting heavy until up near 47 cents. That was a resistance point back in May. I'd anticipate that stock continues to climb high. It's going to serve as a resistance point again, and I won't discount the idea of top-end resistance at 51.5 cents either, but I think it's going to start picking up right there around 47. As I mentioned, big spike in volume. I certainly want to see that stay strong to really help trend indicators like this MACD move into a much stronger bull position, and to help key indicators of momentum like the RSI to maintain their bullish look as well. Those are the type of things that I'll be looking for in the Smart Metric chart. But as always, really my interpretation. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.